What's up, everybody? It's Extreme Rapture. That's Ocular back again with another main channel vlog. You're back on the main channel. It's finals week this week. My last finals before my last semester. So, 4 minutes ago, everybody. It's a funny tickets on there. So, I come up on this channel. We won't be doing this tomorrow. It's a game show this Saturday. It will be next Saturday, on Christmas Eve. Right before we'll have a special Christmas Eve episode of that show, and then we'll have the 200th vlog coming up soon, maybe on Christmas, maybe on Christmas Eve, or New Year's Eve, by the way. So let's get right into the vlog right now. And now it's Monday morning. It is finals week, and I only have work today and an officers meeting, and I have a fall appreciation, kind of like a banquet, but it's like just an appreciation for our fall sports. So I'll pick up the vlog when I get done with that. So we'll have our cool B-roll shot right now. Well, I'm back. I was gonna get back after my my fall appreciation meeting, but we'll have that in a little bit here. But it's back, just chilling for my fall appreciation because I got done with my one final, got done with my vlog for the videography people, and then yeah, I got my Santa party tomorrow. So I'll pick up the vlog when I get that done. I'm gonna pick up the vlog when I get done with the fall appreciation. So let's get into that right now. And good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday morning. It was an awesome night last night at the fan appreciation event. It was a good turnout. We had mostly people from basketball, girls basketball and baseball was there. We didn't have that much from the volleyball team and the football team. It was supposed to be about them, but then they changed it to all sports. But it was awesome. It was an awesome event. I had good lasagna. But today is my third Santa Christmas party. It's gonna be awesome. And I have work also. It's my last day of work for 2022. Then I start work for 2023, and that will be my last semester at campus. So I'm gonna pick up the vlog when I get done. It's basically my last day of the semester because it's gonna be snowing on Wednesday and Thursday. So I'm gonna pick up the vlog when I get done. I'll have a good B-roll shot when I get done with the Santa party and work. Alright, got done with my work study, got done with my Santa Christmas party. I'm gonna unbox this. Show you guys what I got from my Santa Christmas party. From the white outfit thing. But just got done with work. It's freezing rain outside. And I'm not gonna end this vlog in a little bit, but I'm gonna have a little bit, and then I'll end the vlog. So let's get right to that right now. My last bit of the vlog. I was gonna talk about Cole and Isaiah, but today's vlog is not like that because it's finals week, and as of this taping, it's Wednesday, and there's no classes because of the snow. It's very snowy outside because of the snow. It's snowing outside. That's why there's no snow outside. I was gonna do this in more sports this weekend, but I'm busy with stuff. I gotta help out with a Christmas program this weekend during Christmas break at work, and I might have a main channel vlog coming up or a second channel vlog. I'll be doing an unboxing of what I got from White Elephant maybe later. Actually, yeah, we'll have it right now. We'll unbox what I got from White Elephant. So this is what I got from White Elephant. So I got these erasers from the Santa party. They look cool. I got this, what is this called? These ramen noodle, like, stretchers and stuff. I got this Play-Doh, like a stress thingy, and then some snacks like Reese's and all that stuff. Yeah, then we got nerds like Colton and Isaiah. Nerds. Yeah, we got many of snacks, so that's what I got from my white elephant. And so that was my white elephant gift from the Senate party. And that will end the vlog right now. I hope you for today. It was an awesome vlog here. It was just finals week. We didn't want to talk about Colton and Isaiah. We did want to show you guys what I got from my Senate party. I only had one final and it was fun. And then it was closed. So technically I'm on my Christmas break right now. But I'm going to start saying that on Friday. But technically I started my Christmas break on Wednesday. So I'll probably say that on Snapchat. So please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the Smart Circle for more. For that, with that, we got to work for you. Hey, bye.